I see a nice ass view coming. We're about to be there. This sun is busting. Oh wow. Wow. This is crazy. Oh wow. Look at this shit, man. God damn. Shit. I got the whole world in my hands. This shit crazy. Wow. Y'all seen this? This shit look crazy. Yo. This is wild.
Oh my god.
Oh. Yo, I reckon I seen this place on camera and shit. Like people be shooting videos here.
Here?
I be wondering where it's at, but
It's
yeah.
a different place. I don't think it's this one. I think this is one in Quincy.
In Quincy? Oh yeah. I mean, God damn, that's just dope.
Yo, what's the handstand I'm gonna do?
No.
Ah yeah, you crazy. And they were wilding. He said go do a handstand, you wilding though. That's crazy. This is beautiful though.
¿Cómo así?
Goddamn, dog. I'm kind of scared of heights, no bullshit. I'm kind of getting like, what is that shit called? Anxiety saying up here, dog. Yo, look at this shit down there, dog. That shit deep as fuck. Shit, cameraman, you ain't getting no anxiety?
Nah, chilling.
Shit. Wait, who's that? It says my name. Oh, X for gay porn. What the fuck?
My name is Jordan.
My name is Jordan. Bull. I do sex work. What the fuck?
And fish.
And Leo.
What the fuck is
They
that?
trying to promote themselves, bro.
There's
Yo.
some creeps out here.
That's crazy.
What?
There's sex.
This we just
whatever.
read. This about the sex worker. He was like, my name is. Yeah, he's like, my name is this and that. I do
gay
sex
porn.
work in fish.
He's plugging himself.
He does
Like, I
gay
do
porn.
sex work in Fishback and Lemon Sex.
Gay porn, not no regular sex. nigga.
Shit.
Let's keep going, bro. There's more.
Yeah, though. Where?
Up there. There's
Up
a
there for
nigga. You what?
Yo. Crazy.
Well, you'd be amazed, bro. There's one. See that right now. Oh my god, watch this. You ready? This is the kids that does some.
Yo, don't do no stupid shit, bro. Yo, what the fuck is good with you, though?
Why are you sitting there?
I showed my soul, remember?
Yo, this thing is crazy, dog. Yo, I would never do this shit.
Don't.
Why is my light on? I don't like that.
Wait. Oh, I see this nice little area right here. I'm on the stage right now. Singing your favorite song. Looking to cry, you know what you be found when I sing my song. I say, you look good without no makeup. This is nice. Yo. Whew. Look at this view, y'all. Shit crazy.
This way?
Yeah, we're gonna get lost till tomorrow.
Who remember?
Oh shit, there's another big view coming. I can feel it. I can feel another big view coming. Crazy. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh, there it is. Yo, shit. The rocks, that shit don't stop for real. Wow. Wow, this is dope. Yo, yeah, we should have bought more bud though. More vibes, yeah.
Music and shit.
Yeah, I'll show by my. Damn, bro, this is nice. You ain't tell me was this nice though? Shit.
I was like, fuck with the music,
Yo, on peut apporter masse moins. Moi, oublié masse moins.
Nice.
Yeah,
You don't need it.
for the dance.
Oh!
Yeah,
Fuck it.
facts. I don't need that.
The regular thing.
This is Halloween enough. Y'all think? It says Lost Soul, and you got the Grim Reaper. You good? Y'all mess with this? Yo, I'm trying to get one too, actually. Yo, this painting is dope. Whoever did that is talented. Yo, be careful stepping on them rocks.
Good. I'm recording, so I'm gonna just take pictures from the recording. Yeah, it goes with your shirt. Huh? It goes with your shirt.
Yeah, we somewhere right now. Just enjoying the day. Probably one of the last beautiful days we gonna get before this cold come in. I don't miss the snow at all. I ain't trying to see the snow. 6 inches, all that, nah. Let's move to my new crib. Damn. You got this? You got this? Alright. Okay. Ooh, them rocks.
Rainbow sticks.
Oh! Man, scared the shit out of me. I didn't know there was other people I faced to.
Is it people?
Yeah.
Where?
Right down there, I just seen her. 2 girls.
Both of you hiding out here.
Stop. Stop ahead. LMAO. Get I'm guessing that says out. Can't see shit though. I'm guessing it says out. For another big view coming. Another big view coming. I feel it. Yo, you think you're better than Superman? You think you're the king of the world?
I'll jump right now, nigga.
G thing, baby.
Oh, so you have full cut? They didn't have full cut?
Ooh.
I'm playing with life right now.
What? Where's my phone? If my phone falls, you go get it from me.
Oh, I got you. Oh, actually, yeah.
Yo,
Stop being scary, man.
look at this
It's
though.
not even that bad.
Who is it?
Oh my god, you said that, man.
Are you happy?
Shit crazy. Yo, you better be careful, dog. There's some crazy shit with you, man. God damn.
No, I thought. Yeah, we went on Friday.
Some nice vibes.
You said it's more? Yeah, you gotta keep walking straight.
Wow. I ain't never knew about this area. That shit crazy. There's more? Shit. They said there's more. Let's go see what's up. Oh, I like what I see so far. Let me show y'all. Ooh. 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 Parker. Parker. Love. Love. X hate. No hate. Loot. John. Fake news. There's a lot of shit written out here, man.
Sea King.
I've never been to this place.
I'm gonna come back here one time for sure, man. Yeah, I bet you white boys be coming here doing shrooms over here.
Of course.
Yeah,
There's a whole group that comes here. It's like
I bet.
hippies. And they be taking mad drugs with me.
Yeah, I bet.
Like
That's
in the
slick.
80s, 90s, they definitely came over here.
I don't know.
Yeah, man, we having fun walking all this way, but we gotta walk back though.
Let's keep going. You wanna go back? You just still let
No, it didn't.
Yeah,
Can you say?
we leave you, sir.
Yeah, just let's go back. How about that? Yeah.
You hear me to that?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Yeah, let him say that.
Gotti.
I just want to go
Gotti.
higher and higher, but there's no more.
Oh, yeah, it looks like this is the end.
Flat, man.
We reached the peak.
More. It's like a whole area.
I think we reached the peak.
Me and Gloria one time, like, there's a whole area. It's flat. And it's down. Huh?
There's a mountain lion in here.
Don't do that. Yo, if we ran into something wild, bro, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
We have to fight that.
I'm gonna start. I'm gonna just pause, bro. I ain't gonna move. He ain't gonna notice me.
Anything comes next to you?
I don't know.
Cars go that way.
Rollstone Quarry Communications Tower.
Good.
Oh, it's probably for cell phones and shit.
Cars though. Go that way. This is fine.
This guy.
I'm getting left.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Which way is it? This wild cat right now. They have no idea.
Yo, no bull. For real. That's dead ass right there. We could be hunted by anything. We could be being hunted by nothing right now.
The wild cat. There's something up there hunting us down. We have no idea.
Ooh.
It's scary.
Hear the people in the houses?
Oh wow. This is the spot. This spot look dope. Is this shit high? Oh shit. Yo,
Hold me,
how
exactly.
the fuck? Luigi, bro, you be taking chances, though.
You only do one, man.
No.
If it was meant to be,
Said
then
that.
it is what it
No.
I said that.
Yeah, we have to call like the helicopter guys. MedLife
It's
to
gonna
come
take
pick
like
me
an
up.
hour. I don't think you think you'll die if you get from there?
No,
I think we just break.
I can try. Let me try. Yeah, tell me, that's thoughts in my head that told me to.
What?
No.
Where are you going?
There's nothing. You guys want to go down there?
No, how we gonna get back up,
You
bro?
can get down there like I think if you go that way now.
Oh yeah, probably.
I
But I don't
think we
want-
should stay up here.
I think this is the first.